Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop and the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop. First, let's talk about the price. The Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $89, making it budget-friendly and a great choice for those looking to save money. Reviewers appreciate this affordability, often highlighting its value for money. On the other hand, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $149, which some reviewers feel is justified due to its durability and effectiveness. However, if you want to keep your wallet feeling light, the S3501 is a clear winner. Next up is steam time. Both the Shark S3501 and the Professional Mop heat up in just 30 seconds, which is impressive. Reviewers of the S3501 mention its quick readiness and efficiency, making it a breeze to use. Similarly, the Professional Mop's quick heating is also appreciated, with users enjoying its immediate steam production for effective cleaning. So it's a tie in this category. Now, let's discuss chemicals and residue. The S3501 is praised for cleaning with just water, no chemicals or residue left behind, which many reviewers love, as it keeps their floors safe for pets and children. In contrast, the Professional Mop also emphasizes chemical-free cleaning, but has a note about ensuring it's plugged in for proper steam production. Reviewers appreciate both for their ability to clean effectively without harsh chemicals, making them both solid choices here. When it comes to design and convenience, the S3501 features a soft grip handle that users find comfortable and easy to maneuver. Reviewers often mention its lightweight nature and ease of use. The Professional Mop, while marketed as professional, is also designed for user comfort, but doesn't have the same praise for grip as the S3501. Both are effective on sealed hard floors, but the S3501 might edge out in comfort according to user feedback. Finally, let's talk accessories. The S3501 comes with two washable microfiber pads, which reviewers appreciate as it provides great value without needing to purchase additional pads. In contrast, the Professional Mop does not specify the number of pads included, leaving some users wondering if they'll need to buy extras. So here, the S3501 takes the lead for its included accessories. Overall, reviewers have a favorable view of both products. The Shark S3501 is celebrated for its affordability and effectiveness, while the Shark Professional Mop is recognized for its durability and performance over the years. Users appreciate the ease of use and effectiveness of both mops, making them popular choices in the steam mop market. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why, because we all need a good laugh while cleaning, right? Product links are in the description.